Breaking news, everybody. So the FDA has banned red number 3, which is an artificial coloring used in beverages, candy, and other foods. And they have banned red color number 3 because it says evidence shows that the synthetic dye can cause cancer in lab animals. So the article that was published on January 15th stated that the Food and Drug Administration said Wednesday it's banning the use of red number 3, which is a synthetic dye that gives food and drinks their bright red cherry color, but has been linked to cancer in animals. The dye is still used in thousands of food, including candy, cereals, cherries in fruit cocktails, and strawberry flavored milkshakes, according to the Center for Science in the Public Interest, a food safety advocacy group that petitioned the agency in 2022 to end its use. More than 9,200 food items contain the dye, including hundreds of products made by large food companies, CSPI said, citing Agriculture Department data. The FDA is not prohibiting other artificial dyes, including red number 40, which has been linked to behavioral issues in children. The FDA's decision is a victory for consumer advocacy groups and some U.S. lawmakers who have long urged it to revoke red number 3's approval, citing ample evidence that its use in beverages, dietary supplements, cereals, and candies may cause cancer as well as affect children's behavior. At long last, the FDA is ending the regulatory paradox of red number 3 being illegal for use in lipstick, but perfectly legal to feed to children in the form of candy, said Dr. Peter Lurie, who is president of the CSPI. The agency banned the additive in cosmetics in 1990 under the Delaney Clause, which is a federal law that requires the FDA to ban food additives that are found to cause or induce cancer in humans or animals. So food manufacturers will have until January 15, 2027 to reformulate their products. Companies that make ingested drugs such as dietary supplements will get an additional year. That doesn't make sense to me because if it's causing cancer, well, let's say it causes cancer in animals. They haven't said it causes cancer in humans as yet. But why give such a long leeway? Should be banned immediately. Well, anyways, the FDA cannot authorize a food additive or color additive if it has been found to cause cancer in humans or animals. Jim Jones, the FDA's Deputy Director for Human Foods, said in a statement, and evidence shows cancer in lab male rats exposed to high levels of FD and C red number 3. So there you have it, guys. And so this article is from NBC News, and you can go on NBC News to read the complete article. But as of now, the FDA has banned food dye red number 3. So I found a list of some common foods that may contain red number 3, which is per Lurie, the FDA, the CSPI, and Amanda Beaver, a dietitian at Houston Methodist Hospital. So these items are candy, especially seasonal candies such as candy corn and dyed marshmallows, cakes and cupcakes, frozen desserts such as ice pops and ice creams with strawberry flavoring, frostings, maraschino cherries, fruit cocktails, colored beverages, protein shakes, vegetarian meats, bacon bits, sausages, strawberry milk, and pudding. And some medicines that contains red number 3 are acetaminophen, which is a pain reliever, fluoxetine, which is an antidepressant, gabapentin, which is an anticonvulsant, and andomeprazole, which treats heartburn. So that sounds like Tums. It may contain red number 3. So just do your research, guys, and those are a list of items which may possibly contain red number 3. And red number 3 is a food dye that we should be avoiding, as it have been known to cause cancer in lab animals.